I'm Paul Brown, and this is a very brief introduction to Brain and Behaviour in Organisations, the new 8-part series that Ideas for Leaders has produced in order to introduce you to how this extraordinary organ called the brain is actually the central controller of everything we do, and how our increasing knowledge of the neurosciences can help us mobilize that knowledge in organizations. We want to introduce you to the way the emotions drive everything that we do, not our thinking system. That's telling us a story about what our brain already knows. We want to improve an understanding in these diverse, distributed, separated kinds of organizations that has induced how to actually create the relationships in which people bring of their best to the organization. We're going to talk about the London Protocol of the emotions, the name we've given to a working model of how it all happens. And then, what about male and female energy? Maybe they're rather different, and how can a leader mobilize the best in both men and women in organizations in order to actually get the diversity that male and female brains bring? What is this 21st century sustainable organization, and how can we manage stress and pressure? We're going to talk about the Yerkes-Dodson law, which tells us a great deal about how stress impairs performance. But most of all, we want to fascinate, excite and interest you about this remarkable organ that at last we're beginning to understand. Join us if you can. Thank you.